I saw that people trying to do their own divorce had submitted a disomaster. That's the calculation that determines the amount of spouse support. When it comes to spouse support, and it calculates both spousal and child support, but when it comes to spouse support, you don't need to include the disomaster calculation for that. If you have child support, then yes, excuse me, you need to include the disomaster because the court wants to see what is the guideline amount, what is the state recommended amount, and is the amount you are using for child support higher, lower, or the same as what the court suggests. And if it's the same, that's fine. If not, you have to go through the non-guideline process. It's still possible. Even if you want zero child support, which again, I told you can't do zero, you can do reserved, which means none now, maybe some later. Still, just says that the court still has the option of ordering child support if one of you requested. But you don't need the disomaster on the spouse support because there's no minimum barrier or minimum amount you're trying to match up with when it comes to spouse support like you do with child support.